Pioneer 10 leaves the solar system. On June 13, 1983, the space probe Pioneer 10, launched by NASA 11 years earlier, reached a historic milestone in human exploration of the cosmos. It became the first man-made object to cross the orbit of Neptune, which, at the time, was the farthest planet from the Sun due to Pluto's elliptical orbit, and to leave the known planetary system, venturing into deep interstellar space. Launched in 1972, Pioneer 10 was a mission of absolute pioneering. It was the first to cross the dangerous asteroid belt without being destroyed, and the first to send close-up images of Jupiter, revealing the complexity of its atmosphere and its Galilean moons. Its endurance and longevity surprised scientists, continuing to transmit data far beyond its expected lifespan. The most poetic and philosophical aspect of this event lies in the cargo Pioneer 10 carries. Knowing the craft would wander the galaxy for millions of years, possibly outliving Earth itself, astronomers Carl Sagan and Frank Drake designed an anodized gold plaque bolted to the probe's structure. This plaque contains a pictorial message for any extraterrestrial intelligence that might find it. Figures of a man and a woman, Earth's position relative to nearby pulsars, and a diagram of the hydrogen molecule. By crossing the frontier of our solar system on June 13, Pioneer 10 transformed from a scientific machine into a silent ambassador of humanity, a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean. Although communication with the probe was lost in 2003, it continues its lonely journey toward the star Aldebaran, carrying proof of our existence and curiosity into the infinite void. Leave a comment if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. Every day there's a new video for you.